How to get gear in Kingshot. Now, getting gear in Kingshot is not actually accessible if you're just playing the game. You just created an account with the game because there's some specific levels for you to reach out first before you can access all the skins and then all the equipments that you can use specifically for your governor or for the king that you have on the game. So there are methods for acquiring such gears. First things first is by crafting, forging, purchasing promo codes, and as well as enhancing. So along the game that you will be playing, upgrading the productions on your current town. Once again, to get full access with any type of gears in Kingshot, like the lowest gear to a mythic gear, is just to play along and maximize all the resources that you have from the game for you to obtain all those kinds of gears. And that is how you get gears in Kingshot.